All right, good morning. Welcome to Business Update here on Overt Radio. I am Ken, your favorite voice on radio. We begin this morning with company report, and it is in the corporate expansion. In the corporate sector, Lafarge Africa PLC has announced plans to expand its Ashaka cement plant and Gombe State and the Shagamu plant in Ogun State too. The disclosure was made in a notice signed by the company's legal director and secretary Adeomi Alode and published on the Nigerian Exchange website. According to the notice, Lafarge Africa PLC hereby notifies the Nigerian Exchange Limited and investing public of its plan to expand its Ashaka Sem plant in Gombe State and Shagamu plant in Ogun State upon completion. Ashaka cement and Shagamu plant total capacity will be 2 metric tons and 3.5 metric tons per annum respectively. The expansion is aimed at ramping up cement production to meet Nigeria's growing infrastructure and construction demand. Industry observers say this move positions Lafarge to consolidate its market share amid renewed public and private infrastructure spending. Holdings PLC has reported a 54.9% increase in profit after tax for the year ended December 31, 2025. The company posted 401.22 billion in profit, up from 259.07 billion in 2027. Revenue rose by 20% year on year to 697.30 billion naira, driven largely by operational services within the energy sector. Within its energy portfolios. Total assets surged dramatically to 10.42 trillion naira from 1.75 trillion in 2024, supported by a significant rise in property, plant and equipment from 676.64 billion naira to 5.01 trillion. Shareholders' equity also climbed to 3.48 trillion naira from 1.40 trillion naira, while retained earnings increased to 654.11 billion. The strong numbers reinforced the resilience of Nigeria's energy sector despite macroeconomic headwinds. Meanwhile, trading on the Nigerian Exchange closed weaker on Wednesday compared to Tuesday's session. A total of 694.76 million shares valued at 20.54 billion were traded in 42,072 deals, representing a 16% decline in volume, a 16% drop in turnover, and a 9% decline in deals. Market capitalization, however, remained solid at 107.9 trillion naira. Out of 132 listed companies, 53 emerged gainers, while 26 recorded losses, indicating positive market breadth despite reduced activity. Chams led trading by volume with 57.4 million shares valued, followed by Universal Insurance at 56.2 million shares, First Holdco with 35.3 million shares, and Deep Capital Management and Trust at 26.8 million shares. Analysts say the sharper drop in turnover compared to volume suggests reduced high value institutional transaction, reflecting cautious positioning. In regulatory development, the Nigerian Communications Commission and the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps have vowed to prosecute construction firms and contractors responsible for damaging fiber optic cables. In a joint statement released Wednesday night, both agencies warned that avoidable fiber damage due to negligence or unauthorized excavation now constitutes a criminal offense They stressed that enforcement will be intensified nationwide. Industry stakeholders note that frequent fiber cuts have disrupted telecom services and increased operational costs across the digital economy. The Central Bank of Nigeria's third quarter 2025 economic report reveals that banks have shifted the bulk of their credit to the service sector, while the industrial sector received 22.14 trillion naira. The services sector attracted 31.0770 trillion. Overall credit to the economy declined by 1.93% to 57.04 trillion, down from 58.16 trillion naira at the end of June 2025, reflecting tight monetary conditions. Economists say the shift could signal risk aversion towards long gestation industrial investment amid high interest rates. Net foreign exchange inflow into Nigeria fell by 18.3% year-on-year to $48.14 billion in the 9 months ended September 2025, compared to $58.8 billion in the same period of 2024. Total forex inflows dropped to $83.71 billion from $99.44 billion, outweighing a 12.2% decline in outflows. Analysts say the figures underline ongoing external sector vulnerabilities despite reforms aimed at stabilizing the foreign exchange market. It is 12 minutes gone past hour of 11 o'clock. This is Overt Radio. We're broadcasting to you live from Lagos. And finally, the group Chief Executive Officer of NNPC Limited, Engineer Bayo Ojulari, has described the reopening of the Port Harcourt refinery and petrochemical company as a huge waste of resources. Speaking at the 2026 Nigeria International Energy Summit, Ojulari said the national oil company currently lacks the capacity to operate refineries profitably. He emphasized that effective refinery operations required adequate financing, competent engineering, procurement and construction contractors, as well as strong operations and maintenance capacity. The remarks are likely to spark debate over Nigeria's downstream petroleum strategy and refinery management model. And that wraps up today's edition of Business Update on Overt Radio. For more business stories and market insight, stay tuned to Overt Radio. I am Ken. Stay tuned to Overt Radio.
Overt, loud and clear. Your favorite beats always near. Tune in, tune out. Let the vibe begin. Overt Radio, spinning hits to win.
I loved you. I wish I never met you. Bad as it bad, I'm stuck in your bed, waiting my face that I cannot believe that I really blocked you. I kinda really like you, but now it's over. It's all over. You don't look it in your shoulders no more. It's all over. I see the walk at the go, don't come back home. It's all over. You don't look it in your shoulders no more. Don't bother. I see the walk at the go, don't come back home. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. Making no go reason to come my phone. Baby, no go reason to come my phone. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. Making no reason to call my phone. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. See, you can try, but you cannot replace me. It's not your fault, but I pay for it daily. Can you imagine the things that you say, baby? I try to buy all the lies that you're selling, but I have seen all the chats that you're it's over. It's all over. You don't look at in your off shoulders no more. It's all over. I see the walk at the go, don't come back home. It's all over. You don't look at in your off shoulders no more. You don't bother. I see the walk at the go, don't come back home. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. Making no good reason to come back home. Making no good reason to come back home. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home. Making no reason to come back home. Baby, if you're leaving, don't come back home.
Your body give it sexy. Make I put you in Givenchy. I pick your stylist, forget about Ozempic. Girl, you really my sparky. Late in the night, talk to me very dirty. Ride me crazy like a game taxi. Don't you worry, cause I get money like it on Jazzy. All I need is your company. It's not funny, girl, I know be the coco. You gon' make a loco. Ride my motor like it be shiny no more. I can feel your energy from 3 planets away, away, away. Please don't make me ride this solo. Don't make me ride this solo. No solo. Don't make me ride this solo. Don't make me ride this solo. It's solo. Your motivation, educate me. I just want litigation on your land. As long as you no go tease me, you go please me. In front of your friends, you go just say I'm your man. And if you dey feel I'm for body, please don't make me talk plenty. I'll be your mother, talk, make I suffer.